We've got the Z125 and the KLX250 supermoto out at the kart track. We are at SpeedSportz in New Caney, Texas. It's just north of Houston, and it is a moto-only day. Very cool facility. Let's check it out. You don't have to alternate when the karts are on the track and the bikes are on the track. This is bikes only. When I checked in, I went to the front desk and I said, I've never been here before, what can you tell me? He goes, it's pretty easy. You sign in, you pay, you get your wristband, and you go ride. There's no sessions, there's no skilled breakups. It's not like there's novice, intermediate, and expert. It's just, you've got two wheels, you can come ride. Now, just because I have small CC bikes doesn't mean that's all this is restricted to. I had conversations with some folks online. I haven't talked to management about this. They said basically, if you've got a motorcycle, you can ride this track. I've heard of people that have R3s, Ninja 400, 600 CC bikes, and even somebody said they saw an R1 out here. Now, a big bike wouldn't like this track because it's very tight and confined, and it's not something you can go too fast on, which is why you see a lot of guys out here on smaller bikes, including dirt bikes turned into mini supermotos. You've got some guys out there on like CRF 50s, basically running street tires. It's so cool. So let's get geared up and let's go have some fun. This has been a long time coming. I've had this bike for 5 years or so, and it's first time taking it to the track. We'll see how it does, see how I do. This suit has seen better days. I've just broke 2 of my zippers trying to put it on. Man, I feel like an old man doing this. Should have stretched a bit more before getting on the bike. I've got my low seat on right now. Got an R3 out here. I think he actually rode to the track. There is no tech inspection here. It's just get on and ride. I am cold. My tires are cold. And I have not ridden this bike in a long time. XR70. So this low seat that I've got on is good for short people, not good for tall people, and also not good for the track. This is pretty terrible. Sliding around on it does not work too well. We got a drone down. Reducing radius turn, super tight. Let's see when that 70 catches back up to me. Double apex turn. That's a pretty cool little track. I'm stuck in second. On these little bikes, man, you gotta carry the corner speed for sure. I got no power leaving it. I think I'm gonna go in and swap seats. Because this makes me look like a total noob. Granted, like I said, it's been years. It's been about a decade. That was fun. Let's swap seats and see what happens. Because I think that'll be a heck of a lot better than this one. Alright, tall seat time. It should be a substantial change for me. Hopefully I can actually move on the seat now. So there actually is a Texas mini-moto racing organization. I think there's a bunch all over the country. If you're interested in riding mini-moto, I'll put the link below. There's a whole bunch of tracks all over the country. Having trouble shifting into third. Probably just me. I guess I can blame my boots, right? Come on! Won't shift for me. I wonder how far away my knee actually is. I feel like it's forever off the ground. But who knows what'll happen by the end of the day. So I know there's a couple other guys out here that have YouTube channels. My guess is they're gonna blast past me. There's a guy coming by on a supermoto right now. He's gonna catch me in like 2 turns probably. If you are he or she, tag yourself in the video. Smooth is fast, but slow is slow. Where'd he go? I got somebody behind me, I'll go wide. Ninja 400. Oh, come on, third gear, what the heck? Oh man, I just blew first gear. So my first session out wasn't exactly what I wanted. I was having issues shifting, but I blame my boots for that. The fact that I haven't ridden like this in a very long time. It's still a blast. Let's swap bikes. Let's get on the KLX. So when you first get here, this is the main building that you can go into to sign in. There's also men's and women's restrooms there too. You gotta remember, my tires are cold now. I'm not running warmers because, you know, I'm cheap. I'm so cheap, in fact, that my boots are falling apart. I just sent my wife a video of me flapping my toes around. I think if I'm going to keep doing this, I need to get new boots for sure. So this KLX250 was untested until today. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with my my rebuild. It's running great. Oh, these boots are so annoying. I just caught my toe on the shift lever. I don't know how much longer I can wear them. Sorry, bro. Thought you were on my inside. Oh, these boots are so bad. I wonder if I have any duct tape. I'm gonna go check my trailer. Duct tape my shoes back together. Doing some trackside surgery. All right, good to go. See if I can do better with duct tape boots. catch some hate for this, but I definitely enjoyed riding the supermoto a lot more than the Z125. I'm 6 feet tall and I feel really cramped on the Z. I'm gonna run some more laps with it, see if I can loosen up a little bit and maybe I can get more comfortable, but I'm definitely liking the KLX. I think between the two, if I had to keep one, it would be the KLX. It's got a higher top speed, it's more nimble for me, and it's also more comfortable. I think it's just more of a versatile bike. So let's talk about SpeedSportz for a minute. It's a really cool facility. They've got rental carts that are open to the public. You can go and drive on their rental track. This is considered their pro track, where they do kart racing, they do kart practice, they do moto days like today. I've even been here for a drift day where they had drift cars all over the track. It's just a really cool place to come and hang out. There is no tech inspection. This is different than any motor facility I've been to before, street moto facility. Nobody looked at my bike, nobody looked at my gear. Very easy, just jump on and go. When I asked them about what tech requirements they had, they always said it's really simple. Just keep your bike clean and make sure nothing's falling off or leaking. They don't worry about taped lights, they don't worry about license plate removal or mirror removal. It's really easy. So if you're in the Houston area, you've got a motorcycle and you want to check out a track day, this is the great place to come. It's $75, it's really easy to ride. It's a small track, so you're not going to be doing balls to the wall as fast as you can. Yes, it's dangerous, it's a motorcycle. You could crash it. Likelihood of that happening is pretty low though.